Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to our channel. So guys, a few days ago I was coming across this video which was by Harper Bazaar. It was featuring Priyanka Chopra and her mother, and they were talking about some DIY recipe guys, and she says that she uses it whenever her pores are clogged and things like that, and that is something which was taught by her mother. So we are going to try that out in our video today, and I'm going to show you how it works. And guys, I believe that it is really going to be amazing because it has all the natural ingredients. It has lemon, it has curd, it has rose water and some wheat flour. So we are going to get started, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. It's free for you guys and it is really going to mean a lot to me. So we are going to get into the video now.
Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So guys, here I am trying to dry it up, and it has already starting to dry, and now I'm gonna take 15 to 20 minutes I guess it is gonna take to completely make it dry, and after that I am going to scrub it off from my face using my hands. And her mother mentioned that it helps in taking off your little hair you have on your face and also the dead skin, and we are going to see what it does guys, but let it dry first and we'll see the results. And right now I feel that it's a very nice sensation, very cooling sensation it is giving me. Yes, and the best thing is it smells really good because it has all the natural ingredients. So we will see what it does.
Been stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight.
tried it out initially because it had amazing natural ingredients which does some wonders on your skin. And this included all these things which are easily available in your kitchen. They are super cheap also, and because I have used it in my previous videos as well, so I know any natural ingredient you are going to use on your skin, it is going to be harmless and you are going to reap some amazing benefits. So definitely this is a thumbs up for me. You can definitely try it out for yourself, and as you saw in the video, it helps you in giving that amazing glow to your skin. And about removing the hair, guys, I'm not sure about it because I do not have any right now, but yes, I know that it is gonna stick in your skin, and when I was just scrubbing it off from my skin, it was little painful, so maybe it was taking the little hair you have over off. And this was my review about it, and you can definitely try it out for yourself, and you can then let me know in the comments down below how it worked out for you. And this is it for this video, and also if you have any queries to this, you can let me know in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel now, and if you haven't already, and make sure that you hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. And also make sure to follow me on my social media, links to which I'm going to leave in the description box below. I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, a few days back I was going across this video with the Harper Bazaar. It was Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, a few days ago I was going across this video which was Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, a few days ago I was going across this video which was from Harper Bazaar. It was featuring Priyanka Chopra and her mother, and they were talking about some sort of DIY video